Hi everyone, I am Manoj Kumar, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this lecture, I will introduce the subject of Fundamental of Mechanical Engineering, the unit number 5. In this slide, I will discuss about the introduction to measurement. First one, first of all, I will introduce the concept of measurement. In this topic, I will discuss about the concept of measurement like primary measurement, secondary measurement, and tertiary measurement. The second topic is error in measurement. In this topic, I will discuss about the types of error like systematic error, random error, and gross error. The next topic of calibration. In this topic, I will discuss about the how to remove the calibration of any instrument. The next topic, in this topic, I will discuss about the measurement of pressure. Like I also discuss the different type of equipments like Warden tube and U2 manometer. The both equipments have used to how to measure the pressure, and U2 manometer is also used to measure the pressure. The next topic is thermometer. In this topic, I will discuss about the how to measure the temperature in the various tool like thermocouple and optical pyrometer. The next topic is mass flow rate. In this topic, I will discuss how to calculate the flow rate of any fluid. In this topic, I already discussed about the Warden tube, venturimeter, and orifice meter. The next topic is strain. In this topic, I will discuss about the wounded and unwounded strain gauge. The next topic is force measurement. In this topic, I will discuss about how to calculate the force in the given equipments of proving ring. And the next topic is torque. How to calculate, how to measure the torque by the Prony brake dynamometer. The next topic is concepts of accuracy. I will discuss about in this topic is what's the difference between accuracy and precision. And the last topic is resolution. Thank you.